Hello YouTube, welcome back to another WolfRidesBikes video. Today is a pretty cool day. I am outside, I am in my backyard. It is a beautiful, gorgeous day out today. And I just got a package in the mail from Quad Lock. Now, I had reached out to them. Quad Lock said they would send me a motorcycle handlebar mount, which I'm going to be mounting today, and giving a review on the products and how they fit and everything. First off, to start this video as well, I really want to give them a big shout out for agreeing to send me their products to give an honest review of them. Just judging by the box right now, it is very well boxed, great quality. So, they sent me their handlebar mounting kit, the iPhone case, and a poncho, which is like a weather resistant from the rain and snow, dirt, whatever. And they sent me a customized red lever to match. How thoughtful. Thank you very much. I love it. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. There's a mount right there. Gotta loosen that up. Slides right on here. Nice. This is gonna look good already. I'm excited. Then we got the locking mechanism, which this will fit on my phone and slide on right there. And we got this case. Alright, let's see if my phone actually fits this. It should. I don't see why it shouldn't. Oh wow, perfect snug fit. Okay, this is a very nice snug fit. Good quality. It's not. That's a nice case. Wow. That is super snug all around the screen. Okay, I like that. Alright, what are we waiting for? Let's put this bad boy on. Okay, and nice. So they actually have 3 different size little bar end spacers that you can fit on here for different variations of your bar. Alrighty, I got my handlebar mount on here. I have it just a little bit loose so I can adjust it as need be. So, let's get this bad boy on, the clip. Now, one thing to make sure of. When you put this clip on, there are notches right along these mounts that you can mount them any which angle you want. But, if you do mount them like this, in my case, and you push down, you won't be able to actually get your phone out because you're hitting your bar. Therefore, keep in mind when you mount it, this needs to push all the way down in order to get your phone out. Therefore, I'm going to mount it like so. There we go, nice and easy. Wow, look at that. And then to get it out, I just push that lever right at the bottom here, right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. I'd have to take my glove off, push, just like that. How easy is that? This is fantastic. This is, wow. Okay, way better than RAM mounts, 100%. The link will be down in the description for the handlebar mount. You can customize it. You can get different colors for this lever and different cases to match your device. Overall, great quality product. I am extremely happy. Thank you so much for sending me this. I will highly recommend it. Go check them out in the description. Thanks guys. Ride safe out there. And until next time, peace.